get excited.
Oh yeah, no doubt. Oh, me too. I'm 66 and I'm a kid.
I'm 68.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I love it, man. I love it.
Yeah, me too. Huh?
Yeah. I did. I got it.
Yeah.
I did.
Yeah. Right here. That car, right there, that's the first.
No. Go ahead and talk to me.
That's the first year that life started.
Okay. Okay. Is that a Hemi?
Yeah. But he just you know his car, he's got a yellow Mustang.
Oh, I remember him.
Yeah.
Okay, that's him. Okay.
Yeah.
I remember him. Let me see what you got here. What's going on, brother?
What I'm gonna do, that's what we say that fight.
Ooh, that's nice. I like it.
I need to move over.
Look at that, guys. That's all I see.
Look over.
Hey.
And if I need to scoot over.
It's beautiful, man.
But go ahead and just get yourself ready and get
Look at
out.
them big ass tires on this thing. What's going on, brother? How you doing? All right, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How you doing?
Fine, thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh, I got him too. I got him coming in.
But we'll let you come back a little bit and then get out of it. You measure up. Oh.
Ooh, look at that thing, man. Look at that Challenger, SRT Challenger. I gotta get this bad boy coming in. This thing is nasty. Here's some nastiness, guy. You want some nastiness? Here you go. Here you go. Oh, you're going across the street. You're going across the street? Wow. Ooh, look at that thing, guy. Look at that thing. He's coming over here, great. Ooh, look at that thing. Ooh, look at that thing. Look at that thing. Ooh, that's nasty. There's the tires on that back end. Good enough. I got him coming in. Yeah, I got him coming in. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Hey, man, you got something new?
Yeah.
I love that, man. What year is that?
2008 first edition.
First edition. Cool, man. So you gave up your Mustang?
No.
Oh, you still got it? Oh, you still, okay, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Got you. So you just got something new. Got you. Check this out, guys. It's cool. stuff this morning. I'm the only YouTuber out here. I got all this to myself. I'm happy. I'm in my own little zone this morning. There you go. Get it on in there. You got it, brother. Got a Challenger SRT and a Cuda.
Get back forth if you want.
That's not even. That's good. Yeah, they give you a little space in between.
Yeah, for your doors.
Yeah.
Rear end,
Look at that thing. That thing is
Boy,
nice.
that car is-
That is beautiful, man. SRT
They gave
Challenger.
you got enough. You okay with your room?
Oh, I like that.
Your wing fan?
Yeah, we having a good time out here this morning, y'all. Sunday morning. What you want to show me, sir?
That's it over there. That track.
Oh, the truck.
He's setting it up.
Oh, okay. Here we go. Put you on there too, but they can see who you are.
Oh, yeah.
I appreciate you.
Two-lane drag strip.
Yeah, I
Six
like
lane.
that. 6 lane.
Oh, man.
Six lane drag strip, guys.
And it's got the speaker to tell them to start your motor, start your engine. It's 8 feet long.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
That is nice.
Oh,
man.
yeah.
I like that.
I've already set it up at home,
Really?
you know, just to see how I was gonna do. But I had a table, and I don't have room for it to bring a table.
It came with 6 cars and everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see the cars up here in the top.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Oh yeah.
I ain't never seen them with 6.
Nice sounds and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I never seen those on 4.
No.
I seen with 2,
Yeah.
but
No.
not 6, especially not
Hey,
6.
I dreamed that up, and I found. You know how you say you start looking, you have in your mind what you want.
There you go.
You look online.
Yeah.
I seen that and I ordered it here. Got it about 2 weeks ago.
Okay. Good enough. Look at that, guys. 6 lane drag strip right here. 6 lane raceway. Class of 48. Look at that 48, guys. Good to see you again, brother. This is in the hallway. I didn't know you was going to bring this out on me. Yeah. This is beautiful. Can I film inside of it?
Yes, sir.
I won't open the door. I just put it. Check this out, guys.
Try to be.
180 on the dash. 180 on the dash.
Guys, and I mentioned your co-host.
Yeah? I would have brought one, but they said there was no trailer. park.
SRT.
I get here and they said, oh,
Street
yeah,
Racing Technology. That's what that stands for, guys. Street Racing Technology.
3 of them now.
180 on the dash.
I want to always keep connected.
Check this out.
I got the Hot Wheel track.
Yeah.
My theme is Hot Wheels.
Yeah.
You see it?
611 Hemi.
So when I was a little boy, I wanted so bad
Challenger SR.
an easy bake oven. Remember them?
Yeah.
Of course, my dad was less than amused.
Yeah.
But I got one. And I ended up different restaurants in my life.
They got more cars coming in, guys. I'm gonna go back on this end. They got some more cars coming in. Oh, let me give you guys a time check. It is 8:35. I've been out here over an hour now. Scoring big time scoring this morning on some good stuff. Yep. Got some good stuff out here. Let's go over here across the street right quick. Here, let me go over here and film these right here. They got this music on, guys. That's why I'm trying to avoid this place. They got music coming in over here. They cut the music back on because they seen I was filming, but now there's more cars coming in. So I gotta be careful. Check this out, man. Low rider, baby. Oh yeah. Okay, I can't go over there, guys. Music too loud. So let me go back across the street. Check out this guy. He's guarding the candy, man. It's a candy dog. I miss you out here, B. Come on out here, B. Houston. Get up out that bed, boy. Get out that bed, son. You're missing this good content out here. Check this out, man. It's beautiful. Look at that color. Good morning, guys. How y'all doing? Good morning. How y'all doing?
I know.
Oh, no, ain't? Okay. Yeah. She says she don't speak English. Okay. Well, they're loading up out here now. I like it. They're loading up. That's good content for me. Look at that beautiful thing. Let's see what year it is. Several years this?
It's a 54.
54, okay. 54 Chevrolet, guys.
Yeah, it's a 1.5 year model truck.
Yes, sir. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Absolutely stunning, man. That's beautiful.
Thank you.
It's a 48. Only reason I knew it was a 48 because it got it on the.
Yeah.
It got it on the little.
It's nice.
It's beautiful, man.
Nice work here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for 30 years ago.
Yeah.
We built this thing 30 years
30
ago.
years ago they built this.
Is that right?
It still looks beautiful.
Wow, it looks like it built it last week. Yeah, it's starting to get some time.
Beautiful.
I can't believe it built. I started built right 30 years ago.
I'm missing you out here, B. B said I'll come, but by the time he get out there, I'll be gone. This is the Prime Steakhouse, guys, and I'm out here on Memorial and Eskridge.
Love it.
Out there at Rolling Thunder Roadhouse out here. Having the car show Sunday morning. I'll give you a time check. It is 8:35. I just gave you time. I forgot I gave you it was 8:30 a while ago. So, oh, look at this. Here come a vet coming through.
Yeah. I think I saw this at a 4K car show.
There's a GTO, beautiful GTO over here.
Well, I run into him. I know a guy named Ted Turner.
I know a guy named Ted Turner too. But he ain't the turd. That's the turd. I said the turd. The Ted Turner that everybody else knows. I just know a guy from school, high school. His name was Ted Turner. Actually, his name was Theodore Turner. But as he got older, he dropped the. He didn't want nobody to call him Ted anymore. I mean Theodore, so they called him Ted. And he's from the great state of Goleta, California. California, that is. That's where I'm from, guys. You guys don't know, Uncle Mike 392 is from Santa Barbara, California. Living the life in Oklahoma now. Praise God. I am here and enjoying my life. Being a YouTuber. 66-year-old YouTube creator, and I love it, man. I'm still filming, guys. You guys want to be in my video? Come on, guys. Where's your car? Your car's over here? Or on the side? Oh, yeah. I filmed.
Blue 57.
Oh, okay, blue. Yeah, I filmed all the cars over there. I had to get away from that music.
Yeah.
Yeah, YouTube is bad about us having music on our video. They won't let us upload. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So if I can't upload it, nobody can see these beautiful cars out here.
Right.
But he worked with me. The guy over here, he cut it off at least 30 minutes. He gave me 30 minutes, music free. So
Yeah.
I appreciate him for
Yeah,
doing
he's a
it.
good guy.
Yes, sir.
Oh, man. Look at there, LS.
Look at this LS, guys.
That is beautiful.
LS engine. Look at that. How much an engine like this cost?
New, probably about 20, 25,000.
That's just the engine.
Yeah.
Then you got to buy the pistons and all.
Yeah, like I did them coil covers. Pontiac.
Yep.
Look at this old Mustang out here. 1953. Got a rag top on there. I didn't want to touch it. Don't touch it. Oh, look at this. Check this out. That 140 on the dash. Look at that thing, man. Beautiful. Is this real leather? I don't like touching people.
Probably is.
That's his
Yeah.
fault. I don't want to touch it.
I'm not gonna touch it.
Sometimes I get carried away when I'm filming them. I want to touch and I remember it's not mine. Can't be doing that. Check out these gangster white boys, guys. Yes, sir.
That's interesting. Later, just try to work it.
Yeah. Got to wait on both sides to match.
Yeah.
Very nice.
With that branding, there you go. Pontiac. Right. Let's go over here, guys. See what they got. There's a GTO over here. Check this building out right there. Get you a good prime steak over here, guys. I love it. I love it. So I'm gonna go back over here and thank the coordinator over here for cutting that music down for me for 30 minutes. He let me, cause for now I don't know what it is. I've been using the same music on my videos, but now they give me copyright strikes on the music I've been using for almost 3 years. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. Give me strikes on music I've been doing for 3 years. They never gave me strikes on it before. So now I'm scared to film out here with music on. That's why I asked them to cut the music down. Because usually I just strip the music out here and just put some YouTube approved. Now the music on YouTube is I'm getting strikes. So I don't know what's going on. So that's why I asked him to cut the music down. He cut it down for 30 minutes for me and let me film without music. So that's why I'm back on here on this side, because over there that's where all the music is. That's where they got the DJ on that side. So I'm good. And I believe I got everything out here anyway. Let me find something to wrap it. I'm gonna wrap it up on the GTO over here. I like this GTO. All right, guys, Uncle Mike 392. I'll see you guys on the other side later. And thank you guys for walking around with me. And I hope you guys enjoy what I put in, this content I got for you guys this early Sunday morning. Like, share, subscribe, leave some comments, please. I love reading you guys' comments, and I appreciate you guys. I love all of you guys. You take care. Have a great Sunday, and I'll see you guys on the other side later.